Welcome to Animal Factory, where nature's finest raw materials are transformed into the world's most exceptional luxury goods. Each day begins with the arrival of extraordinary specimens, carefully selected from the finest herds across the continent. The journey brings them to our state-of-the-art receiving facility, where the transformation begins the moment they arrive. Our animal handlers approach with practiced precision, ready to welcome the newest arrivals to our facility. The bulls descend with calm assurance, their massive frames moving gracefully through the pristine environment. The animals are settled into spacious holding pens, where fresh water and clean bedding await them. Automated feeding and watering systems ensure every animal receives optimal nutrition from the moment of arrival. Hydration and comfort are paramount, with every trough maintained to the highest standards of cleanliness. Every animal then passes through our advanced veterinary zone, where comprehensive health assessments are conducted. The automated scanning system captures comprehensive health data, ensuring only the healthiest specimens proceed. Real-time health data is captured and analyzed, with every detail recorded in the animal's comprehensive file.
Heart rate and temp are stable.
Good, the scan is complete, all green.
Excellent, we're clear for the next stage.
Agreed, let's proceed. Only animals that meet our rigorous health standards receive clearance to continue their journey.
With every health marker confirmed, the animals move forward into the heart of our facility. The processing floor is where raw materials begin their transformation into luxury goods of exceptional quality. The horn harvesting begins with precision instruments, ensuring every extraction is clean and complete.
Each horn receives a meticulous washing, removing any residue and preparing the surface for refinement.
The horns undergo a controlled boiling process that purifies and softens the natural keratin for further work. After the purification bath, the horns emerge transformed, ready for the next stage of refinement. Each horn is carefully dried and inspected, the natural beauty of the material beginning to emerge. Every horn is closely inspected for natural imperfections, ensuring only the finest quality advances. The horns are then shaped using precision cutting equipment, revealing the refined form within. Preliminary polishing begins to reveal the horn's natural luster, a preview of the luxury finish to come. Secondary cuts refine the shape further, bringing the horn closer to its final form. The final polish transforms the horn into a mirror-like surface, its natural beauty fully realized.
The leather journey begins with the raw hides, each one inspected and prepared for transformation.
Expert hands sort the hides by quality, selecting only the most pristine for our luxury production. A deep washing process removes all impurities, preparing the raw leather for the tanning stage. The hides are loaded into modern tanning drums, where a controlled process transforms them into supple leather.
The tanning process is carefully monitored, with precise timing and temperature control ensuring optimal results.
The tanned hides emerge transformed, supple, rich, and ready for the artisan's touch. Each hide is hung to dry at a controlled pace, allowing the natural fibers to settle perfectly. Precision cutting transforms the flat hide into specific shapes, each piece destined for a particular component. Each leather component is carefully shaped and formed, bringing the design to life.
The components are assembled with precision,
the beginning of the final product taking shape. Premium brass hardware is attached with precision, each piece carefully aligned and secured. The leather edges are burnished to a smooth, polished finish, the hallmark of luxury craftsmanship.
Every component passes through quality control, where our inspectors ensure the highest standards are met.
In our Artisan workshop, skilled craftsmen bring generations of expertise to every piece.
The polished horns are hand-carved by master artisans, each stroke adding character and distinction.
Fine engraving distinguishes each piece, the artisan's signature making every item unique.
Each piece receives its hardware, selected and attached with the utmost care.
A final inspection ensures every detail meets our uncompromising standards before the piece moves forward.
The leather components join the finished horn pieces, ready for the final assembly.
The final assembly of our signature handbags demands perfection in every stitch and fold. Every stitch is placed with precision, the hallmark of handcrafted luxury.
Our signature belts undergo the same meticulous assembly, ensuring quality across every product. Each belt receives a final inspection, confirming that every detail meets our exacting standards. The complete collection takes shape. Premium handbags and belts, each one a masterpiece of craftsmanship. The final quality control phase subjects every product to rigorous examination before packaging. Every stitch, every seam, every surface is inspected using the latest digital and magnified technology. The same rigorous standards apply to every item, from the largest handbag to the smallest accessory. The signature animal factory mark is applied in gleaming gold foil, the ultimate symbol of luxury. Every product receives final approval, the quality inspector's signature confirming its readiness for the world. The packaging room is where our products receive their final presentation, ready for the world's most discerning customers.
Each product is wrapped in premium white tissue, nestled carefully into its signature black presentation box. Gold ribbon and a hand-applied seal complete the presentation, the final touch of luxury. Each day, these finished products are carefully packed and prepared for shipment to luxury markets worldwide. From animal factory to luxury markets around the world, this is craftsmanship without compromise.